Hey YouTube, I'm doing a review on the G36c airsoft gun. Let's start at the top. The barrel, or whatever you call this thing, comes off, and no buttons used. I'll need to take it off though, but slides back on. And get your removable ammo clip, and it's got the lever that pulls down like that, and you have your lift button that comes back up. Ammo clip goes in pretty well. You've got safety. Probably should do it on the side too. You got safety right there. See? And it goes back on, and then the stock is removable. So, hang on, guys. Yeah, so stock is removable. Goes back on like that. And this is probably gonna be a short review because this is my first one, and let's go into depth with this gun. It is a Springer, FPS around 400, 375, something around that. All plastic, probably not any metal internals besides the spring and some other things. Not very heavy, probably about at least 3 pounds, and that's probably about it. Again, cut me some slack because it's my first video, so thanks for watching.